Welcome to the Thomas and Friends Games World's Strongest Ends in Mystery Play-Doh Edition! Let's meet today's challengers! Actually, I have no idea who they are. Let's just get started. Let's call this one dark blue versus yellow. Dark blue goes on to the semifinals, but who's this yellow character? Aha, it's Stafford. And now purple versus orange. Who are you, orange? It's Diesel 10. And now, red versus teal. Okay, who's hiding in there? Well, it's Gator. Finishing up round one, it's blue versus pink. Okay, stop kissing each other and start moving. Who are you, Pink, and why the sad face? It's Diesel, and can someone please get him a Kleenex? Semifinals, purple versus dark blue. Who is dark blue? Why, it's Samson! Semifinals, red versus blue. Who will face purple in the finals? Nice try, Blue, but who are you? I think I recognize that light blue engine. It's Thomas! Final round, red versus purple. Who will win? Purple, you were so close to winning it all, but who are you? It's Hero! Red is the winner! Great job, Red. Are you gonna show us who you are? Victor is the grand champion! You win the tie-dye cloak to wear in the next Play-Doh competition! Don't you hide from us too. Click subscribe and give us a thumbs up.